Hello and welcome to UC Achievers. You're watching Grade 7 Second Term Test Model and Past Paper discussion, and in this video we are going to give you the answers for Gampaha Education Zone 2024 paper. Test 1. Write the correct letter in the blank. The first one is done for you. A. Play cricket. B. Ride a bicycle. C. Dance. D. Play the guitar. E. Swim. F. Cook. First one, I can play cricket. A is the answer. Second one, I can cook. Third one, I can play the guitar. 4, I can dance. 5, I can swim. And last one, I can ride a bicycle. Test 2. Underline the correct answer. The first one is done for you. I saw blank brother yesterday. Answer is your. The reason is we should select the possessive adjective from these two answers. We normally placed a possessive adjective before a noun. The noun is brother. Your is the answer. Number 2, that class is theirs. Possessive pronoun. My sister played with blank toys all afternoon. Answer should be my. Again, it's a possessive adjective, and you can see the noun toys here. Number 4, the teacher marked blank homework. Our homework should be the answer. Reason is possessive adjective, and homework is the noun. Number 5, I forgot my pen. Can I use yours? It's possessive pronoun. She told blank story to us. Answer is her. Reason is possessive adjective. Noun is a story. Test 3. Fill in the blanks with must or must not. First one, I blank eat healthy food. Answer should be must. Second one, you blank wash your hands before eating. Must. Third one, we blank touch the exhibits in the museum. Answer should be must not. 4, the students blank speak loudly in the library. Must not. 5, you blank respect your parents. Must. Test 4. Study the picture and fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. This is a picture of a classroom. There is a teacher and 6 students in it. The teacher is standing and holding a paper. She was wearing a blouse and a skirt. There are 3 boys and 3 girls in the classroom. They are drawing and coloring pictures of trees. We can see 2 tables and 3 chairs. Some children are sitting at tables while one child is showing his drawing to his friend. The classroom looks busy and active. Test 5. Fill in the blanks with N, but, O. Nimal loves to cook. He makes lovely meals for his family and friends. His sister likes to help him in the kitchen, but she doesn't like cleaning up afterward. On weekends, he tries new recipes, but his sister always cooks the same things. Today, they will either bake a cake or cook a special dinner. Nimal enjoys cooking with his sister, and both of them learn new things together. Test 6. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of the given word. The first one is done for you. Sita is my best friend. She is a beautiful girl. She always does her work carefully. She treats everyone in the class with kindness. Her happiness makes everyone around her smile. Yesterday, she wrote a wonderful poem about our school. Our teacher told her it is a meaningful poem and pasted it on the notice board. I am proud of my friend. Test 7. Read the text and answer the questions. Sharks. Whale sharks are not only the biggest shark in the world, but are the biggest fish of any kind. Though there are some reports of larger individuals, the biggest specimen ever reliably measured was 18.8 meters or nearly 62 feet long. That's bigger than a school bus. Even though they are enormous, whale sharks pose no danger to humans. Like the great whales, they eat only tiny plankton by filter feeding or ingesting huge volumes of water and filtering out of the food. Whale sharks are found in warm waters all over the world. Like whale sharks, basking sharks are filter feeders. While they do not get quite as large as whale sharks, the largest one ever reliably measured was 12.27 meters or just over 40 feet long. This is enough to net them the title of the world's second largest shark. They typically live in cooler waters. Right, question number 1. What is the biggest fish in the world? Answer is whale shark. Number 2. Do they harm humans? No, they don't. Question number 3. Where can we find whale sharks? Warm waters all over the world. Question number 4. Write the types of filter feeders mentioned in the passage. Number 1, whale shark, and number 2 is basking sharks. Number 5, what does they in paragraph 3, line 3 refer to? Answer is basking sharks. Test number 8, write on one of the following topics, use about 100 words. A famous Sri Lankan. B, my school. A famous Sri Lankan. Lester James Peris was born on 5th April 1919. He was an internationally acclaimed Sri Lankan film director, screenwriter, and film producer. He produced in over 28 films, including shorts and documentaries. He directed many popular films such as Rekava, Gampaha, Nidanaya, Golu Hadavata, Kaliyugaya, Avaragira, and Yugantaya. His films often deal with Sri Lankan family life in rural settings and conflicted characters. He helped create an authentic expression of Sinhala cinema. This renowned filmmaker passed away on 29th April 2018. My school. My school is Ibbagamu Central College. It is a famous school in the Kurunegala district. I love my school very much because it is beautiful and clean. There are many classrooms, a library, laboratories, and a playground. Our teachers are kind and helpful. They teach us many subjects and guide us to be good students. We take part in sports, competitions, and other school activities. My school helps me to learn new things and develop good habits. I am proud to study at Ibbagamu Central College. It is the best school for me. Test 9 Listening Test. Listen to the audio and complete the table. The Readers Club has organized a book fair. It will be on 5th of May in the school main hall. You can find many books to buy and read there. The book fair will start at 10 a.m. There will be books for all ages and many different kinds. Bring your family and friends. We hope to see you there. Second reading. The Readers Club has organized a book fair. It will be on 5th of May in the school main hall. You can find many books to buy and read there. The book fair will start at 10 a.m. There will be books for all ages and many different kinds. Bring your family and friends. We hope to see you there. Third and last reading. The Readers Club has organized a book fair. It will be on 5th of May in the school main hall. You can find many books to buy and read there. The book fair will start at 10 a.m. There will be books for all ages and many different kinds. Bring your family and friends. We hope to see you there. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel for Sri Lankan students. UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English. UC Gen English for advanced level general English. UCAL English for O level English.